This is question 16. Here I'm told that A, B and C are points on the circumference of a circle, and we're told that the straight line PAQ is a tangent to the circle. We're then given a couple of angles. We're given PAC and we're given ACB. And what we're asked to do is we're asked to work out the size of the angle marked X. Now, immediately when I first see this question, I know that it's about circle theorems, and specifically what I identify straight away is that I've got a triangle in my circle which is touching the tangent. And when I see this, I should immediately think of the alternate segment theorem. And what I can say when I see the alternate segment theorem is that angles which open up to the left, so the angle between the chord AC and the tangent PAQ, this 56 degrees here, is going to be equal to the angle in the alternate segment, this angle here, angle ABC. Okay, so that means that I can say that that is 56 degrees. So I can say that angle ABC is equal to 56 degrees. And as I just said, the nicest way and easiest way to think about this is that when you see a triangle which touches the tangent, the angles which open up in the same direction, so this angle is opening up to the left, will be the same as this angle here, which is opening up to the left. And then we could also say that this angle here would be, because that angle there is opening up to the right, this angle opening up to the right, that would also be 75. So what I'm going to say for this answer, I'm going to say that angle ABC is equal to 56. And my reason for this, the reason is that I've used the alternate segment theorem. Okay. Then what I can then see is, well, now I've got a triangle. I've got the triangle ABC. I've got two of the angles, which means that this angle X is just going to be whatever 180 minus 75 minus 56, because they all have to add up to 180 in that triangle. So that means that angle X is going to be equal to 180 minus 75 and then minus 56. And so that is going to give me X is equal to, what's going to be, so 180 minus 75, 105, 99, X is equal to 49. So if X is equal to 49 degrees, and my reason that X is equal to 49 degrees now is going to be, so following on from ABC, alternate segment theorem, my reason that X is equal to 49 is that angles in a triangle sum to 180 degrees. Okay, just to recap here, obviously we've talked about the alternate segment theorem, and we've talked about it very briefly and in quite a colloquial way, so in quite a slang terms. We haven't talked about it properly here, and if you didn't really understand this, then I would fully recommend that you go away and look at the alternate segment theorem in a bit more detail, so that you understand it, because the way that we've talked about it is we have talked about it in quite an informal way. But anyway, final answer here is going to be X equals 49, and we must give reasons with that answer.